Honestly, thankful ako na wala akong nakakasabay na crush ko sa FX. Yung nag-viral na picture ko, like, ganun talaga ang itsura ko palagi. Hindi talaga ako ready. Hindi ako nag-aayos. Feeling ko sayang kung mauusukan lang din naman. Nung nagko-commute ako, like, that was the worst state ng skin ko ever. Kaya it's very important to restore the balance of your skin every end of the day at every end of the week. With the new Pond's Hydra Miracle Ultra Light Biome Gel, maiaahon mo ang naghihingalo mong balat ma sa uhaw at paghihirap. As in, from chaos to calm. Its Cera High Amino Technology restores your skin biome, which serves as a protection for your skin barrier. Plus, ang gusto ko from this moisturizer ay yung magaan at yung gel na texture niya. Kasi as an oily girly, ayoko ng products na mabigat sa mukha. Kasi mas nag-oil up ako. Kaya sa mga sister kong going through it, nakikipagsapalaran araw-araw, don't forget to reset your skin with Pond's Hydra Miracle Ultra Light Biome Gel.